Are you a founder or marketer of a SaaS business struggling to generate inbound leads? If booking demos or sales calls feels like an uphill battle with your limited marketing resources, you need Rocket SaaS. If you don't have any marketing resources in-house, we become your complete marketing department. Or if you already have a small team, we plug in as an extension of your existing team to accelerate your efforts and get results faster. You get all of this: a head of marketing strategy, LinkedIn and Meta Ads expert, Google Ads specialist, content creator, designer, web developer, and a marketing executive for the same price as hiring just one in-house marketer. We focus on 5 key areas to scale your SaaS business. Full funnel strategy with a bespoke demand generation approach. Content that always starts with thought leader interviews to ensure authenticity and quality. Google, LinkedIn, and Meta Ads to drive highly targeted traffic. Lead magnet campaigns like webinars and ROI calculators to get leads into the funnel. And website optimization to maximize conversions and turn traffic into qualified leads. We've worked with over 140 SaaS brands, with our clients seeing an average of 30% more demo requests within the first 3 months. Ready to scale? Let's start with a free SaaS marketing strategy call. Just click the link below.